Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel a direct debit on your Monzo account. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Payments tab at the bottom of the app. Next, select Schedule Payments. Here, you'll see a list of all your active direct debits and subscriptions linked to your Monzo account. Find the direct debit you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. Now, tap Cancel Direct Debit and confirm your choice when prompted. Once cancelled, Monzo will stop allowing that company to collect future payments from your account through that direct debit. Keep in mind that cancelling a direct debit with your bank does not always cancel your agreement with the company. If you're still under a contract or subscription, it's a good idea to contact the company directly to make sure your service is cancelled and to avoid any future charges or issues. That's it, you've successfully cancelled a direct debit on your Monzo account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.